Okay, good morning. Today is Sunday, and today I'm going to cook the perfect scrambled egg. I'm going to go back to using the head cam because it didn't work having the cam on the thing the other day. So the perfect scrambled egg because it's Karina's favourite. Right, okay. First thing we do is heat on the saucepan. Into that we're going to add a dash of garlic butter, and a drop of milk to stop the butter from burning, and then 2 pieces of toast, 2 slices of bread to make the toast, into the toaster. To this we're going to add our cheese, pepper, and salt, and then 1, 2 eggs. And the secret of a good scrambled egg is to keep mixing. And I find the best thing to do is to use a spatula, because then the ink stops from sticking to the side. And just keep stirring, don't stop stirring, because as soon as you stop stirring it solidifies too much and becomes horrible. As soon as it starts to go a bit solid, kill the heat. Toast is ready, scrambled egg is ready. Plate, toast, egg, done. There you have it, one perfect scrambled egg. Can't be easier, can it?
Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.